Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm Mr. Jones Crasto and I would like to welcome you to Jones Crasto, your ultimate destination for entertainment and news. Explore our YouTube channel for the latest in news and entertainment, complemented by expert insights on mergers and acquisitions, the buying and selling of exclusive real estate, luxury yachts, corporate jets, helicopters, and their global operations. Discover cutting edge guidance on satellite launches, military submarines, aircrafts, tanks, aircraft carriers, and more. Visit jonescrasto.com or reach us at jonescrasto@gmail.com for further details. Thank you for joining us. Now let's delve into today's discussion. How Lockheed's L-133 Starjet almost became the world's first fighter jet. Did you know the world's first fighter jet almost belonged to Lockheed? Dive into the untold story of the revolutionary L-133 Starjet, a machine decades ahead of its time. Hit subscribe and join us as we unravel this mind-blowing chapter in aviation history. Don't forget to like and share for more incredible aviation content. Introduction. The Lockheed L-133 Starjet stands as one of the most audacious attempts in aviation history, a project that dared to leap into the future but fell victim to the limitations of its time. Conceived during the early 1940s, this aircraft was designed to shatter the boundaries of military aviation by becoming the world's first jet powered fighter. Though it was ultimately never built, the L-133's story is a fascinating tale of visionary engineering, wartime urgency, and what could have been a revolutionary leap in air combat. This story is not just about a plane that never took off, it's about the genius of Clarence Kelly Johnson, the mastermind behind Lockheed's Skunk Works. His unparalleled foresight in aeronautical engineering laid the groundwork for the future of military aviation. Let's explore why the L-133 was simultaneously a remarkable success and an unforgettable failure. The visionary minds behind the L-133. At the heart of the L-133 story is Clarence Kelly Johnson, whose reputation for genius in military aviation remains unmatched. Born in 1910, Johnson's early career was marked by groundbreaking designs, including the iconic P-38 Lightning. His ability to think beyond the immediate needs of war made him a legend at Lockheed, and his Skunk Works division became synonymous with innovation. In 1939, Lockheed engineers, led by Johnson, began conceptualizing the L-133. Their vision was audacious: a single-seat jet-powered fighter aircraft featuring cutting-edge technologies such as a blended wing body design and an early implementation of a swept wing concept for better aerodynamics. These were not minor tweaks but radical departure, departures from the propeller driven aircraft of the time. Design and features. A leap into the future. The Lockheed L-133 was designed to be decades ahead of its time. Some of its most impressive planned features included jet propulsion. The L-133 was to be powered by two axial, axial flow turbojet engines, a revolutionary concept at a time when most aircraft relied on piston engines. These engines were expected to deliver the a top speed of nearly 600 miles per hour, a figure unheard of during the 1940s. Wings. While swept wings became standard in jet aircraft during the 1950s, the L-133's design incorporated them as early as 1939. This innovation was intended to reduce drag at high speed, making the aircraft more efficient and faster. Blended wing body design. The aircraft's body was envisioned as a seamless integration of fuselage and wings, optimizing lift and reducing drag. This concept was a precursor to many modern stealth aircraft. Armament. Lockheed engineers planned for the L-133 to be equipped with 20 cannons, offering superior firepower compared to its contemporaries. The challenges. A vision ahead of its time. Despite its groundbreaking design, the L-133 faced insurmountable challenges. The most significant hurdle was the lack of suitable materials and technology during the early 1940s. Turbojet engines were still in their infancy, and metallurgical advancements required to build reliable jet engines were years away. Additionally, the US Army Air Corps, the predecessors to the US Air Force, was hesitant to adopt jet technology. At the time, their focus was on building and improving propeller driven aircraft that could be deployed quickly in World War II. Jet powered aircraft, with their unproven technology, were considered too risky and expensive. Why the L-133 never took off? In 1943-42, Lockheed submitted the L-133 proposal to the US Army Air Corps, but the project was rejected. The military's decision was influenced by two key factors: wartime priorities. With World War II raging, the US military prioritized immediate solutions over long term innovations. They needed aircraft that could be mass produced and deployed quickly, which the L-133 could not offer, which, which the L-133 could not offer. Technological readiness. The advanced features of the L-133 required technologies that were still in their infancy and didn't yet exist. The military was unwilling to invest in a project with so many uncertainties. The legacy of the L-133. Although the L-133 Starjet never progressed beyond the conceptual stage, its influence on aviation history is undeniable. Many of its design principles, such as swept wings and jet propulsion, became standard features in later generations of aircraft. The project also cemented Clarence Kelly Johnson's reputation as a visionary engineer. His work on the L-133 laid the foundation for Lockheed's subsequent successes, including the P-80 Shooting Star, the US military's first operational jet fighter. Furthermore, the L-133 story serves as a reminder of the importance of visionary thinking in technological advancement. While it was a successful failure, the lessons learned from the project paved the way for future innovations in aviation. Conclusion. A successful failure. The Lockheed L-133 Starjet was a paradoxical success, a failure in its time but a triumph in its legacy. It represented the boldness of Lockheed's engineers, who dared to dream of a future dominated by jet-powered flight. Though the L-133 never took to the skies, it left an delible, undelible mark on the history of military aviation. Its story is a testament to the power of visionary thinking and the willingness to push the boundaries of what's possible. If the L-133 had been built, it could have rewritten the course of World War II and forever changed the timeline of aviation history. Even in its failure, it remains an inspiring example of how ambition and innovation can shape the future. If you are as fascinated by aviation history as we are, so hit subscribe to uncover more untold stories like the L-133 Starjet. Share this video with fellow aviation enthusiasts and let's keep these incredible stories alive. Thank you for watching my video guys. Thank you.